What's up guys, Rich here, and I'm going to show you a couple of straps that I ordered because there are a couple of watches that I wanted to freshen up with a new look, and it's by Handdn. So Hand means it's handmade, and then the DN is for Da Nang, Vietnam, where this brand is located. So I think there are a couple of nice unique features that this brand offers that made me very interested in the brand. So here it has a nice presentation. These are the sleeves that the strap comes in, which has a separation dividers for each side of the strap. So here is the first strap that I wanted to show you, which is a vintage green alligator strap. And the watch that I had in mind for this is my Holger Sport, which has a nice creamy dial. It comes on this brown strap with a deployant clasp. It's an embossed alligator. It's not a genuine alligator. It's a calf's leather, but that wasn't the reason I was looking for a strap. By the way, the Handdn are genuine alligators. The reason is this is a little too large on my smaller size wrist. So even on the last hole, this strap was just too loose for me. So I wanted to order a new strap, and I think this green is going to pair really nicely with it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put this on. It has a quick release spring bar, so no tools are necessary, but I'm going to step away because I like to hold the watches closer to my body when I put them on. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, and here it is on the vintage green alligator strap. I think it turns out fantastically. It looks really great with that cream dial. So one of the unique features that I touched on about Handdn straps is they have the hard to find sizes. So even the 19 millimeter lugs width, or the 21 millimeters, or 23 millimeters. In fact, they have everything from 16 millimeters up to 26 millimeters and all the sizes in between. So that solves a lot of the conundrums regarding some of the hard to find strap sizes, especially 21 millimeters or even 19. And I think a lot of us think of straps made from Italy and France, and I like French-made straps, but I also now like straps made from Vietnam. Vietnam, it gives us another country of origin for straps that we might not think of at first, but I'm really pleased with the quality of this strap. It's also lined with Zermit, which I think it's like a soft calf skin, very smooth, very nice quality strap, no breaking in period whatsoever. And so I'm going to now go for the different strap, which is on my Brellum Petite Seconds with this patina Bordeaux alligator strap. I think this could look really nicely. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so we had to do an audible, and what I mean by that, obviously, this is my sablé. It is not my Brellum. The reason I had to call an audible is I did not realize at first when I ordered this strap, the Bordeaux patina from my Brellum, that my Brellum actually needs curved ends, as you can see here. So the straight strap will not fit on my Brellum, so that was my audible, and I had to find a nice alternative. And I think this actually turned out really nicely, although not intended for the strap. The Brellum, again, was the intended watch for the strap, which I think would have looked really, really sharp on this. But I figured I can also use this Bordeaux on my Holger, kind of make them interchangeable. This, I am really happy about the way that the vintage green turned out on this, because this was as intended. Again, the patina on the sablé was an audible. One of the other things that is really a nice service that Handdn offers is, this is the regular length strap, but they also offer it in short and extra long. That's not the unique aspect of it. But the unique service is that I had 2 extra holes added to this strap, and I've done that before, where I've had to punch an extra hole myself or bring it to the local jeweler, but it never looks quite the same as when it's done by the original strap maker. When I order a short strap, which I have done, it's just too short. It just falls way too short here, and it almost feels like it's going to fall off every time I put that on. So I like the regular length, but now I added 2 extra holes, and look how perfectly that looks. Nothing disproportionate about these holes. As it turned out, I only needed 1 extra hole, but it was nice to have the 2 extra holes, and I did that for both straps. I had 2 extra holes added, and you can see how perfectly done that is on the strap. So Another nice service, and another really nice touch. And both of these straps are just really, really nice. But I am leaning towards my favorite right now, which is this green vintage alligator strap. Very pliable, no breaking in period whatsoever. We have different buckles available to us. This is a Tang buckle that I chose. So all in all, I am really pleased with the quality of these straps and learning more about different countries that offer really quality straps. And Vietnam may not, again, be the first strap that country of origin that we think about when it comes to leathers, but we definitely should now. They did a really nice quality job on this. Both straps cost $135, and they do get sent to us via DHL. So if we're looking for a nice quality strap, and they have all kinds. They have alligator, they have cordovan, they have texture strap, calfskin, ostrich, shark. They have all kinds of different kinds of leathers, all I think at reasonable prices, and the DHL shipping is included with that. But more importantly, like I said, it's the quality of the strap, and you can see how nice quality this is, and the nice touches of adding the extra holes, and having all those sizes available to us. So if we're looking for a new strap and we want to explore straps from a country like Vietnam, then I think Handdn is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks, guys, for watching me change out the straps on my watches, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.